We all love cinema lenses, right? Proper big geared rings, beautiful quality glass, accurate T-stops, and just the feeling and the look of big cinema style movie shots. So Sirui have come up with these. These are the Vision Prime series. They do a 24, a 35 and a 50mm at T1.4. So beautiful, soft, out of focus backgrounds. As you can see here, we're shooting this on the 50mm at the moment. And I have to say, I've been really impressed with them. I love the fact they're so compact and lightweight, but they're still metal. They have these fantastic solid aperture and focus rings. They also have huge focus travel on this ring, which is really nice for focusing, manual focusing, because they're manual focus only lenses. And they also have the measurements in meters on one side and feet on the other. So whichever you're used to working in, it's there marked on the lens. Fantastic. Another cool thing is that these lenses, whether you buy them as a kit or individually, they come with 4 different lens mounts. So you have the E mount, which I've got on there at the moment, but they also have RF, L mount and Z mount for the new Nikon cameras. So you buy one set of lenses and you can use them on 4 different camera bodies. How cool is that? So no need to go and buy separate adapters. They all come with the kit. And they're also user changeable as well. It's just a question of a few screws and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and you can change the mounts on the back of these lenses yourself, which also feels pretty cool, doesn't it? So these are the new Vision Prime series from Sirui. I think they're worth checking out.